Hello, on today's episode we are going to make mushroom sauce. We have our marinated mushroom which have been marinated for 30 minutes. It's marinated in dark soy sauce, ketchup and some salt. Then we have another sauce that we are going to use later. It has dark soy sauce and ketchup. And then we have our green bell peppers, minced onion, minced garlic, cornstarch, oil, some water, tomato paste and salt to taste. So you heat up your oil. Add in your minced garlic, then stir, give it a good stir. Then add some corn flour. I'll use 2 spoons. Oops. That's enough. Stir. Then go in with your sauce. Then stir it nicely and then you can put some water and let it simmer for a few minutes. So I'm going to cover this and let it simmer for a few minutes, then put the mushroom. Now we are going to put in our mushrooms and then let them cook for another 3 minutes. Then we can add our bell peppers. So we add our bell peppers and give it a stir, 2 minutes, and the mushroom is ready.